Alright, we're back and we're starting restoration. Alright, let's do this. Level 2. I'll get my microphone where it belongs. Make sure I'm recording my voice. We're good.
There's so little left out here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city without one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again.
Right there with you, buddy. And we gotta level this Titan up, damn it. Okay.
A Guardian ship was recently shot down here. If the Fallen haven't gotten to it, there might be parts we can salvage.
Alright, so there are a couple of caves that we want to visit. There's a few caves we want to visit. Just to see if there's any loot. None in this one. And we're gonna go over here. Come on, I know where my objective is. Alright, we want to visit this cave. Apparently someone cleared the enemies from that spot, but that's okay. Nothing in this cave at the moment. Alright, we're gonna be going this way. So we'll visit this cave. I'm hearing spin metal. Nothing in this cave. It's a bit disappointing to have nothing in all the caves, but whatever. Let's go to our objective, which is right here.
The ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can cull their last transmission. They managed to restore an information hub here, down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
Alright, so it's telling us to go this way. We'll do it that way. Sometimes there's enemies here. Sometimes people have cleared them out. Alright, here's a little beacon for when we do patrol. We're gonna go through the building if we can, because there's a loot crate here. Alright, the enemies are here, so let's do it. Alright. Alright, we got an engram. And that chest is not there because we got it with a different playthrough. Alright. Okay. Alright, we're going down in here. Now. So we're going that way, but there's sometimes a chest back here. Not today. Alright. We'll move on. Alright. Here we go. Oh, here we go. No, there's the guy. We gotta get him. Alright.
Map of the entire area.
Alright.
What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon. Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back.
Alright, well let's do that then. Alright. Now the enemies may have respawned up top, so Let's be prepared to go get them. Looks like they haven't. Alright, we're going over here, huh? Alright. Another heavy enemy zone. We'll clear them. We may have them in a crossfire with a 40. Alright, yep, a 40 sniped him. And by 40, I mean a level 40. Alright. Okay. Got a nice double jump. Okay. Oh, got a chest. Okay, gate watch. Let's take a look at what we got here. I've got an auto rifle. It's not as good as the one I'm wielding. Get rid of it. Alright, and I've got a helmet that's way better than what I've got. Alright, and I've got armor that's way better than what I've got. Alright, and we're gonna scrap our crap here. Alright, look good. Okay, we're good. Got a golden face
Scanning
going
for
on
the
here.
warp drive. Bad news. It's already in fallen hands.
Alright, here we go.
I hope you're ready for this.
I am. Alright. Let's get a little bit of healing on. Come on, heal back up. Alright. Alright. I'm waiting for the guy to spawn. He doesn't want to spawn yet. Alright, here we go. He should spawn now. Alright, now. And let's give him a grenade. Alright, and let's get cover. Okay. Now our main concern is him. We really, I mean, there's a lot going on, but our main concern is him. Alright? Now, keep in mind that they do trash. Alright? Alright. Now, I know I say our main concern is him, but we do have to worry about the other guys a little bit. Alright? Because they will close on us, that's the issue. Plus they are experience points. Alright? Whoa. Let's get him a little bit. Alright. 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 Now, we're gonna hit him with a grenade. Alright. I thought we had an engram over here, but it looks like we don't. Alright. Alright. Oh, well, he hit us a little bit. That was a little too hard. Alright. Get a little bit of cover here. Alright. Let some health come back up. And let's go get him. Alright. Alright, let's get a little bit more health. Alright. Alright. Okay, we're We're gonna need to go get some health now. Get some ammo. Alright. Alright, let's hit him with a grenade. Alright. Okay. We gotta run. And we may have to switch. I hate to do that, but... Alright, now, let's go do something. Alright. Alright. Okay. I need to get some ammo. Alright. Really hate these shotguns. Alright. Alright, there's some primary ammo. Where is he? Alright. Got her. Alright. Nope. Where's the other guys? Is that it? I think it is. Whew. Okay.
You just killed an Archon.
I
And
damn
we
sure
got
did.
a warp drive.
We damn sure did. Okay. Is there anything in the other room? I don't think there is. Can't hurt to look. Alright. Alright. We're good. Put that Archon down. Okay. Okay, I got a hand cannon and a new helmet. Alright, we'll be making it back to the tower first. Let's do that. And we'll do our mission wrap up. Alright, we've got a few things to do. Let's hit the Cryptarch.
Whatever I can... Let's see what we have then.
Alright.
Intriguing. Not what I expected.
Alright.
Be careful.
Alright, now let's we're gonna get everything first, and then we'll come back and look at what we're holding.
Ones who aren't afraid of the dark.
Alright. Alright.
Just back from the wild.
Here we go.
Be ready for more.
Okay, you've just begun your Guardian career and already you've slain an Archon. Impressive. Let's see if you can maintain your tenacity. I'm reading all of these in the other playthrough, so I don't really need to do all of that, alright?
Back to the front, Guardian.
Back to the front, huh? Okay, now,
I need to know.
I believe I just... Yeah, I don't think I have any missions
To the
pending.
Crucible, Titan.
No, and I'm not going either. Alright, so I'm just gonna, from here, I'm gonna check my equipment. And let's go, let's see. I don't think I need to do anything here. I'm good with all of that. I just need hand cannon. I'm never gonna use a hand cannon. I just don't like them. Don't like them. Too slow firing. Did someone call me?
Package for Commander Zavala.
Oh.
Kind man.
I don't think I have anything.
Checking.
Okay, nothing.
See
Okay.
you tomorrow.
Let's take a look. I think I have to be level 4 to get bounties, but we'll check.
I am authorized.
isn't.
Yep, I gotta be level 4 to get the good bounties. The bounties that I care about anyway. Let's look at these helmets. Level 19 defense, we'll take that, yes. I could be level 4 to carry that. Okay, we're good. Alright.
Inconvenience, Guardian.
Now let's take a look at this thing one more time. Okay. Helmet. Requires level 3. Titan helmet. Okay. So the equipment is class specific, so. Alright. We're good on all of that and all of that. Let's hit progress. Okay.
Whistle protocol broken.
Alright. So that's going to be it for this playthrough. I'll thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.